Good morning, good evening, good afternoon, whatsoever the place, the time you're watching this video. Okay, so now we are going to discuss the levels analysis, do the analysis for the uh, indices, currency pairs, the commodities, and crypto. All right, so let us start with the NAS 100 as we do always. Okay, so for NAS 100, this was a support level 11461. It has tested and it has taken a bounce, forming a zone now between these two swing levels. The level of 11496.54 and 11483.32. All right, for now we need to see to take a retest of this historical white trend line and the swing level of 11735. Okay, if it is breaching that, we can see a short covering in the market, and the market is not bullish till the time it is crossing this level of 12108, because it is a bearish trend. See, rise on sell, sell on rise, sell on rise, sell on rise, sell on rise. All right, the market is following the trend of sell on rise. Okay, we'll follow these levels in the price actions that we see on a small time frame as well. See, I'll show in the 5 minute time frame also. See how market has formed a double bottom on this level and it's taken a bounce from here. It will come and test this level and we'll see for short covering. All right, we can extend a trend line from this closing and we can see for a breakout. All right, you can form a trend line from here. For more, you should enroll the course. All right, moving further, the US 30. All right, see historical trend line forming a channel. Say rise on sell on rise, sell on rise, sell on rise, sell on rise. The same pattern extends here too. All right, so it is a falling channel in a long time frame. All right, so in this also, following the small time frame and the price actions, see, okay, it was a sort of head and shoulder pattern, dead and got rejection from the last swing. Again going to retest is a small trend line from where with of which the breakout it has given. So it will come once again to test the swing level of 30382, and once it is giving a close above the level of 30446, we can see a short covering. But yes, it is not bullish till the time it is giving a closing above the level of this one. Okay, this level, which is the level of 31672. All right, now moving further to euro USD. See, the same thing, the support level is below at the level of 0.97731, and for going bullish it has to give a closing above this level, the level of 0.99165. Okay, around that we'll follow the price action and all the levels that we have shared, and see all the levels are respected by the market, which we discuss in our sessions. All right, in the recent videos we have seen how the price action and the market sentiments to follow the technical levels too. Okay, it is all about the technicals and the blend of the news that we use in taking our trades for the entry of the trade and the proper exit with a good profit booking. All right, okay, now so moving further, we have USD JPY. See, good shortfall and bounce from the support level. How we got to know? Just analysis. It will take a short covering from here. Okay. So just follow the trend and follow the analysis and the blend, the inventories, the news like the yesterday's news. What Fed Chairman was, Mr. Powell said. See, this is USD CHF historical trend line. It was climbing. I was saying just wait for a breakdown and a breakdown and a short and a good selling trend. All right, and again this was again a straight trend line. It is given today a breakout of it, and it has gone to good level. See, it was a consolidation and it just formed a zone over here and it got a rejection from here only. So for a good bounce we need to give a closing above this level, which is the level of 0.98638. all right, and before that this trend line is there and this is the zone. I'll extend it will come back to retest the zone again, and from then we'll decide with the price action and the volume accumulation that what is the sentiment of the market and where it wants to take us further. Okay, AUD USD similar thing, the support is at the level of 0.6551, so we'll watch out for that. All right, and between that these are the levels in between where we can get some chirps and some good uh, scalping and playing level to level. Okay, NZD USD similarly support next support is at the level of 0.7095. If you are getting a rejection from here, then again it can be a shortfall. Okay, though the markets are in a big time frame, they are still in the oversold. That is why it is taking a somewhat pullback. USD Canadian dollar. Okay, same thing. See how the market respects this level, respecting the level at each spot. NZDJPY after all time high getting rejection from the historical trend line. This is silver. See, okay. See, it is very easy to find the levels, but yes, one needs to learn first. See, gold is still hustling between the zone and this level. If it is breaking this level, then there is no support between below before the level of 1611, which is 50 points down, sharp fall, and it will be a sharp fall because this is just a consolidation because the breakdown just happened. It is just accumulating the volume for falling down. Okay, this is Bitcoin. See, see. So Bitcoin is still bearish. We need a breakout. A breakout will come above this level only, which is this level, the level of 22852. We need a closing above that. Below that, it is still in a bearish phase. Okay, and for me, it has to come down and test this zone and this swing level 17572 in short time. Ethereum, see, historical trend line, and once again this historical trend line is to be tested, and if we are getting a closing below this trend line, then there is no support before the level of 676, and yes, Ethereum can come that down. Just follow the technicals. Don't let your mind, don't let your emotions rule your mind. Just follow the technicals and the blend of the news to do the proper trading, else you cannot trade the markets. Okay, there is no fundamental in the crypto. Just remember that it is only fundamental. Yes, no fundamentals, I'm saying that. Okay, this is Solana. Solana has a very good upside and very good swing trades coming in future, but for now it is a consolidation. All right, it can take a sharp fall down in the level of 20 also. So just wait for it. Okay, Solana will be giving a good trade, and similarly in the Binance also, it is going to give a good trade. But yes, for now it is also having some bearish moves. We can take it down to the level of 218. So just wait for the time to come. It will give a good short covering in the coming time, but not now. Let us see Matic. See Matic also. So just follow the levels I'll show in the 15 minute, although I'm showing all the charts in 2 hour time frame, because crypto is the most volatile, even more volatile than the indexes. Alright. Now let us see the US oil, and then I'll conclude the video. See, this is US oil. Okay, historical trend lines getting rejection, fake breakout, giving breakdown, and again forming a zone, getting retesting the zone, getting rejection, falling, and now consolidating, because now if it will be falling, then it will short. But I don't think it will be falling now. It is forming a triangular sort of pattern. It is to give a good breakout, and it will come to test this zone again, the level of 91, and so on in a short time. Alright, so this is the analysis and the levels and the performance report we just discussed for tomorrow, and these levels will remain intact forever, because these levels do not change. They are just followed by the market and their sentiments. All right, so I hope you are enjoying the series and the sessions of learning and earning. For more, to find out the levels and do such analysis for this kind of accuracy that I'm showing to you people, that how the markets to respect the technical levels, and how we do the entry and we book our profits at the same exact level where the market is, to have a turnaround and change in the trend of the market. All right, so you must enroll for the course. The fees is very small. You'll be capable of taking the trades, doing this analysis in any markets, because every market specifically will be taught. Not every market is the same. Some are stable markets, some are very volatile market. Okay, so where I'll be teaching you from the beginning to the advanced level. I'll see you in the sessions. Till then, keep trading, keep your profits intact. Check in Vande Mataram. And yes, do remember, stop loss is very important. Market was there in our grandfather's time, in our father's time, in our time, will be there in our for children's time also. So what we need to do is we have to maintain our sustenance in the market, and for that we need to keep our principal safe. All right. So I'll see you in the next video.